Nitong ika-4 ng Desyembre, muling pinangunahan ng City Health Services Office ang World AIDS Day na may temang Take the Right Path. Layo ng naturang pagdaraos na itaas ang kamalayan ng publiko patungkol sa HIV at AIDS. Sa datos ng CHSO, as of November 30, pumalo na ng 112 ang HIV cases sa lungsod ng Baguio. Kaya naman puspusan ang kampanya ng City Health Services para tugunan ang pagdami ng tinatamaan ng naturang sakit. Dagdag pa ng opisina,
We will be working out well with the Department of Health at yung ating mga NGOs dito sa Baguio. Magtutulong-tulong kami para mabigyan po namin ng rights-based healthcare, maging accessible, available ang ating mga tests for our people who are at risk of having STI and HIV.
ang entertainment industry ay isa sa mga kinikitang vulnerable sa HIV at AIDS. Kaya naman bilang parte ng kampanya kontra sexually transmitted disease, nakipagtulungan ng City Health Services Office sa kanila upang makamit ang target na Zero AIDS pagsapit ng 2030.
So this is our captive group, no? So they submit themselves for weekly smear. So meron silang weekly smear, may kanya-kanya silang schedule. Then every 6 months they renew their health certificates, no? They have the HIV testing, they have syphilis testing, also have kung every 2 years yung kanilang X-ray. Also, we give them the vaccine if it's available for them to be safe from having any STI.
Paalala pa ng City Health Services Office na riyan ang banta ng HIV at AIDS. Kaya payo ng opisina,
There are sexually active men and women around, so they need to protect themselves from HIV. They should know how to prevent themselves from having STI and HIV. Ito yung abstinence, be faithful, the use of condom. And at the same time, kung pwede po, magpa-HIV testing. That will keep them more aware that HIV, AIDS really exists.
kinikilala rin ng City Health Services Office ang inisyatibo ng entertainment industry sa pagsusulong ng kampanya kontra HIV at AIDS. Conan Gulapa para sa PIO, Baguio Balita.